So as we've seen in the previous video, I failed to learn code in multiple occasions. 2018, 2021, 2024. And so fast forward to October last year, I still hadn't really written any single line of real code. However, by December, I had an app in the App Store with roughly 1,000 users. And today we have 2,000-ish users across iOS and Android, which is pretty cool. However, I didn't really learn Swift or Swift UI. I didn't follow any tutorial. I just opened Cursor, typed out what I wanted to do and how I wanted the UI to be, and then I let the AI start building. So the timeline went like this. In October, I had my first experiment with Cursor, just an idea coming from browsing Pinterest, finding something that was like, oh, that's cool. And then said, you know what, this could be something, and build a bit of a mock-up in Figma, and then use Cursor to create something. And by November, I had a working app. And I published on the threads that the test flight would be available soon. A lot of people replied, and basically when it happened, I had 1,100 users join the beta testing. And by the end of December, I had the app launched on the App Store, basically in Christmas. And then when I came back from vacation in January, I started working on the Android version. By February, I had the beta version, and Play Store takes just 2 weeks for the beta testing. So 2 weeks later, it was on the Play Store. So now we have 2,000-ish users. But now, how did I go from zero to product might be your questions. I basically treated the LLMs as teammates rather than tools, but also tools in a way. And I told them to do exactly what I wanted, but vaguely. Mostly, here is an image, here is something, and the goal is to achieve this. And then I let it build the skeleton, and then I adjust the experience later. So I didn't need to learn code this time. I just needed to direct the build that I wanted to have, like I would direct like a junior designer to work on something. And I didn't really obsess over like the best practices. I mostly focused on progress, feedback from social medias and other people that watched me build the thing live, and getting or keeping momentum in the builds. And I really believe that right now designers are built for this time. We already think in flows and system, emotion and interactions. And when you just add AI to the mix, you don't have to write perfect code. You just need to know what's good look like and communicate well, which is something that we know how to do. So I didn't really become a developer. I became really good at collaborating with AI. And if you've ever thought, I wish I could build an app, but I'm not technical enough, I do think this is kind of the moment to try. AI and LLMs in general kind of change how we can build things. And you don't need to be a dev anymore, you just need to understand how things work. So, a vision, taste, and the courage to build publicly might be anything you need. So I might do more about that topic in the future. I don't know yet, but yeah, if you have any question, drop them in the comment as always, and I'll see you soon. Bye.